right, here we go. Crypto trade of the day. Ripple is under the microscope on this video. I feel like there's a breakdown coming. As you can see, it's drilling through 235.75 right now as we speak. Having said that, I have to admit, we've been there yesterday, right? Yesterday we've been there. Price was starting to cross over, but before the end of the day, slightly bounced back up just to close slightly above 235.75. Doesn't mean it's not going to be successful today. It just means that this is a serious key level support at this point. And if it's going to get cracked, hopefully by the end of the day, then this is an important event. I think this will mark the beginning of a new downside move, given the fact that price action was trading sideways ever since late February, right? Back and forth, pretty chaotic all over the place. Nevertheless, still trading sideways. So we are expecting a serious downside move. Let's see the downside. Let's take a look at that downside potential that I feel is a lot more impressive than what it may be looking like from this angle, the daily chart. So I'm going to switch to the weekly chart and let's take a close look. This is how I look at the situation. Weekly chart, you can see a huge head and shoulders pattern at the top, right? And then the breakdown below the neckline, right? And then price action coming back up to test that neckline. That's pretty impressive technical stuff, right? Punching twice that neckline, even 3 times actually, if you consider this week. And now on the back foot, I think this will lead into a sustained downside move, potentially going to chase all of the previous lows, including the previous major low from very early February. Price action lowest low 176.35. Now we have this green dotted line at 170.65. It doesn't just represent the previous major low, which it does, but it's also a Fibonacci 123.6 projection measurement taken on the previous opposite move. So from bottom all the way here, from the bottom all the way to the top, 123.6 right here. I believe that's the next big support key level and also profit target. So that's going to be our official profit target, even though right now you can see our take profit order is actually sitting at 213.50. That's a big obstacle in our way, right? So we're probably going to take some profit off the table at that point, but the idea, the game plan is to continue chasing the move all the way down to 170.65. So we're going to try to increase position size, get more aggressive, then get less aggressive, take some profit off the table, reduce risk, reduce the exposure, wait for price action, give us that green light to proceed once it starts to crack 213.50, and then rebuild, re-increase that position all over again, all the way to 170.65. All right, guys, this seems to be happening. I don't know. We'll have to wait at least at the end of the day to get some form of significant indication whether or not we're on the right track here. Stop loss level. Let's mention our stop loss levels. Right now it's 2.6, still sitting in its original placement. Obviously, once price action secures that breakdown, we'll start to adjust our stop loss level accordingly. All right, that's about that for this one. Ripple, looking forward to see where are we going with this one. We'll come back to follow up and keeping you posted. In the meantime, guys, I want to wish you a great trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.